Hi everyone, time to head home back to the warmth today. A lot of a shop there. I've also one thing about these lottery shops, you know, when it's a Spanish lottery, because the Spanish will queue for ages just to get a lottery ticket. It is freezing. Got hotel of a mile there. I've never actually stayed there, guys, but I've just sort of been in when we were doing extra work. Can't really say much about it, but when we were in a little room downstairs, when we met for extra work, got to use the restaurant a few times too, and food were gorgeous. Like, kind of seemed like a regular thing in there. Like if we were filming this, then lunch would be, if there were any of the buffet left, just go into restaurant, which I mean were quite good. A lot better than the normal lunch, like a ham baguette or something. Vincent's there is our first British pub in Benidorm. Now, we've been coming to Benidorm for years, and yeah, we've never been in there yet. I make food, so maybe pop in there one of the days. Hopefully they do steak pie in there. Not sure of this road's name, guys, so I do apologise there. Just road we often use to get back up to our home, sort of thing. Polo shop there. I knew it was there, but I just didn't realise it were actual polo. Not badly priced either, to be fair. €35 for a polo hoodie. Real things, reasonable price, to be honest. You could probably get it cheaper than the market, but you got to bear in mind that that's probably just like fake cheap quality. And one thing I will say about the market is not watch your sizes, because it's happened to me before. I've asked for something in XL. Think it were two Tom Hilfiger hoodies, I think it were, or no, two Tom Hilfiger sweaters, I think. Literally said to the guy that I need them in XL. He was like, okay, see, I'll go get for you. Get home, One was in medium and one's in large. So they still sort of fit, but a bit tight. Tons of different shops up here. Still 16 degrees. So yeah, weather really hasn't went up in temperature since they came out. Few more places open now. Getting on that time. Hotel Plaza, the Hotel Oasis Plaza down there, guys. Anyone stayed there before? Anyway, guys, I said it in an earlier video, and I'll say it again. Huge thanks to January Benidorm Jamie and his son Leon. Going to get me some prime, I believe. Not sure what flavours I'm getting. Think ice popping, maybe, but some other flavours. But just expect a review when I get them, guys. Hotel Terramar, I think that is, guys. Miller's as well. I will just say that good shop if you're wanting like electrical sort of goods here in Spain, whether it be a TV, an e-scooter, anything like that. Good place. Believe I bought my PlayStation 4 from there. Console, controller, came with Spider-Man as well. I think it costs around €250, I think. So not bad, to be fair. And I mean, I've still got it. Still works, even though I bucketed up my storage thing on it, but still able to play games on it, use it, all that. Anyway, guys, gonna love and leave you here. So hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.